Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Everyone hates spam, but because spam filters are so good these days, maybe you feel like it's not a big problem for your business. Wait till you hear this. A new report's revealed everyone on your team could waste up to 80 hours a year scrolling through and deleting spam emails. Between 45 and 85% of all emails sent every day are spam. Researchers calculated someone who only gets 30 external emails a day will probably waste about 5 hours a year. It's the business owners and managers whose time is most wasted. If you get more than 100 external emails a day, you'll spend 80 hours a year sorting and reporting them. Add that up across your team, and it's a productivity killer. There are settings in your email service to help protect you from more spam. Training can also help your team spot a spam message faster and could stop them clicking on bad links. Can we help review your email and make some suggestions? Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.